How to use the most common English expression, "What's up?" in your daily life. What's up is a common English expression that can be used in a variety of situations. It can be used as a greeting, to check on someone's well-being, or to start a conversation. In most cases, it is simply a way of saying, "Hello," or "How are you?" However, it can also be used to ask for information, such as when you want to know what someone is doing or what they have been up to. What's up is a versatile expression that can be used in many different ways. So next time you hear someone say it, don't be afraid to join in the conversation. I hope you found it useful and informative. Remember to check our playlist for more lessons on how to use common English expressions in your daily life. Thanks for watching.